Did you know that more than 50% of men over the age of 60 face difficulties maintaining a firm and lasting erection? These numbers are alarming, and even worse, many accept this as an inevitable fate. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural and effective solution that can change this sexual impotence? It's not just a physical problem, it erodes confidence, impacts relationships, and leaves many men feeling frustrated and insecure. Imagine the emotional toll of wanting to please your partner, but simply not being able to. That pain, that fear of failure, is something many carry in silence. Not knowing that the answer is within reach for everyone today, you will discover a secret that few men know, a powerful combination of vitamins and nutrients that restores strength, vitality, and virility. Yes, you can go back to having intense nights of pleasure, no matter your age, and the best part, all of this is possible without resorting to expensive medications, without side effects and without dependency. Want to know how? Watch until the end. Because I'm going to teach you the recipe for an extremely powerful natural remedy capable of bringing back firm erections, strengthening your sexual health, and restoring pleasure to your life. As I mentioned, I believe this lesson will be a true revolution for you. The knowledge I'm about to share is rare and transformative. So I want to ask two small favors. Comment here, "I am strength and power." This phrase has immense symbolic power, connecting you to your transformation and helping you stay focused on your evolution. Pause the video for a moment and share it with other men who also need this knowledge. You could save relationships and bring hope to those who have already given up the fight. Get ready, because we're just getting started, and what's coming is impactful. Many men believe that losing virility is an inevitable fate, but that's far from the truth. There are hidden factors silently affecting sexual health, and when identified, they can be effectively addressed as the years go by. Testosterone levels decline. This hormone is essential for sexual desire, energy and masculine strength. Its reduction not only causes a loss of libido, but also makes it difficult to maintain erections. Blood flow is essential for an erection. As you age, conditions like hypertension, high cholesterol, and other cardiovascular issues affect circulation, preventing enough blood from reaching the penis. Consuming processed foods, bad fats, and sugars not only harms the body, but also drastically reduces hormone production and worsens circulatory problems. Stress and anxiety are silent killers of sexual life. These states increase cortisol levels, a hormone that blocks testosterone production and creates a cycle of worry and frustration that directly impacts performance. A lack of physical activity not only harms the cardiovascular system, but is also linked to a significant drop in testosterone levels. Additionally, a sedentary lifestyle contributes to weight gain, a factor that further worsens sexual problems. What these factors reveal is that the loss of sexual potency is not an inevitable fate, but a consequence of issues that can be treated and reversed. The key is understanding your body's needs and providing it with the right nutrients to restore balance. Recent research shows that certain vitamins have the power to improve circulation, regulate hormones, and restore masculine strength. These vitamins are becoming an increasingly recommended natural alternative for men who want real results without the dangers of artificial medications. Now that you understand the main causes of sexual potency loss, it's time to discover your true allies in regaining virility. These vitamins have the power to balance hormones, improve circulation, and bring back the energy that seemed lost over time. Vitamin D, the testosterone fuel. Vitamin D is not just important for bones, it is essential for testosterone production. Studies show that men with low levels of vitamin D have a significant reduction in this hormone. Additionally, vitamin D improves endothelial function, meaning it helps blood flow better to where it is needed. How to obtain daily sun exposure for 15 to 20 minutes or supplementation, as recommended by a professional. Vitamin E. the protector of circulation known as the sex vitamin by many experts. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage. It also improves blood circulation, which is essential for firm and lasting erections. How to obtain foods like nut seeds, avocado and olive oil are rich in this vitamin C, the booster for the vascular system. Vitamin C is indispensable for the health of blood vessels. It reduces the risk of fatty plaques in the arteries and improves blood flow, essential for healthy erections. How to obtain citrus fruits, bell peppers, kiwi, and leafy green vegetables are excellent sources. Vitamin B3, niacin. The key to energy, niacin, helps reduce bad cholesterol, improves circulation, and is known to enhance sexual stamina. Men who consume adequate amounts of this vitamin report significant improvements in erection quality. How to obtain lean meats. Fish, peanuts, and whole grains are rich in vitamin B3, zinc, the essential mineral for sexual desire. Although not a vitamin, zinc is a crucial nutrient for males' sexual health. It is directly responsible for the production of testosterone and sperm. A lack of zinc is associated with decreased sexual desire and difficulty in maintaining erections. How to obtain oysters. Red meat, pumpkin seeds and beans are good sources. Magnesium, the hormonal balancer. Magnesium reduces cortisol levels, stress hormone, while enhancing testosterone production. It also helps relax blood vessels, allowing better blood flow to the penis. How to obtain almonds, spinach, bananas, and dark chocolate are rich in magnesium. How to combine these vitamins for surprising results. It's not enough to consume these vitamins in isolation. The secret lies in combining them. A balanced diet, and when necessary, high-quality supplements can make a remarkable difference. Always consult a doctor or nutritionist before starting any supplementation. The elixir of eternal virility, the recipe that restores male strength as promised. Here's the natural recipe that combines the most powerful nutrients to restore your virility. This is the Potency Elixir, an ancestral formula used for generations to bring back male strength and improve sexual performance with simple, easy to find ingredients. You can prepare this solution at home and start feeling the results in just a few days. Ingredients of the Potency Elixir: 1 tablespoon of pure honey rich in antioxidants and energy properties. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger improves circulation and boosts libido. Juice of half a lemon rich in vitamin C, essential for vascular health. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder increases blood flow and regulates hormones. 250 milliliters of warm water enhances absorption and affects how to prepare. Warm the water until it's lukewarm, not too hot, to preserve the ingredients. Properties of the grated ginger and cinnamon powder. Stirring well to mix the ingredients. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon and add it to the mixture. Finally, add the pure honey and stir until everything is well combined. How to consume. Drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach for even more effective results. Consume it again before bedtime. This combination will stimulate circulation, balance hormones, and boost your sexual energy. Duration of consumption: consume the Potency Elixir daily for at least 30 days. You will start noticing changes within the first week, but by the end of a month, the results will be even more impressive. Benefits of the ingredients: pure honey boosts energy and sexual stamina and is a powerful antioxidant. Ginger studies show it improves blood circulation, essential for firmer and longer-lasting erections. Lemon rich in vitamin C, it fights free radicals and strengthens blood vessels. Cinnamon has thermogenic properties that increase blood flow and intensify libido. Contraindications: people with allergies to any ingredients or those suffering from gastritis should consult a doctor before consuming. This simple yet powerful recipe has helped men worldwide regain confidence, strength, and pleasure. It is more than a natural remedy. It's a symbol of transformation and rebirth for your sexual health. But let me ask you, would you like something even more effective? Something that can deliver fast, deep results that very few people know about? Imagine if, in addition to protecting your health, you could regain that vitality that seemed lost over time. Wrinkles, low energy, constant fatigue. All of this could be drastically reduced, and I'm not talking about miracles or empty promises, but about something that science and renowned doctors around the world have proven to be possible as we age our levels of human growth. Hormone, HGH, naturally decrease this decline is one of the main causes of aging signs, such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, decreased energy weight, gain, memory problems, and even reduced sexual drive. But here's a secret that few people know. It's possible to stimulate your body to naturally produce more HGH. This is exactly what GNF2 Plus does. It was designed to help you turn back time, offering incredible benefits such as reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, increased physical endurance and daily energy, weight loss, and reduction of body fat, improved memory focus and mood, greater vitality to enjoy life, including in the intimate aspect, and even healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. The results aren't just promises. JF20 Plus has been tested, aired in clinical studies, and one of them showed a 28% increase in IGF-1 levels, the primary mediator of HGH, in just 12 weeks. And here's the best part. It's recommended by renowned doctors like Dr. Stephen Lamb, a well-known
figure on television who says I would wholeheartedly recommend GNF 20 Plus to anyone who wants to improve their overall health and regain vitality in the past. HGH treatments were inaccessible to most people, costing up to $330,000 a year in injections. But GF20 Plus has brought this technology to an affordable, safe, and natural level. And today, for you who follow our channel, I secured a special December promotional price. The cost is so affordable that it's less than a fast food meal. But pay attention. This offer is limited time only, and valid while supplies last. And there's more you can try. GF20 Plus risk-free, you get 67 days of guarantee. Either you feel the results and are amazed by the transformation, or we refund your investment. No questions asked. Don't miss this chance to change your life for the better. Click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of this special price before it's gone. It's not just about aging, it's about how you choose to live. Make that choice for yourself today. Did you enjoy the content I prepared for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. What score would you give this lesson? From 0 to 10, did the elixir of eternal virility bring you hope and open up new possibilities for your life? I also have a special request. Comment below with the phrase, "My strength is back." These words mark the beginning of a new chapter in your life, filled with vitality, confidence, and renewed energy. While you're here, let me know what city are you watching this video from. It's amazing to see how far our message is reaching and how we're helping men worldwide transform their lives. Lastly, let me remind you of something important. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Many men suffer in silence, unaware that such a simple and powerful solution is within reach. Share this video with someone you care about and help spread this message of health, strength, and renewal. And don't forget the natural healing supplement. GF20 Plus is available at a special holiday promotional price, but these are the final days. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment. So act fast to secure yours while it's still available. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive updates on our next lessons. I always bring exclusive content that can change your life. At the end of this video, I'll share 2 valuable materials that I strongly recommend. Watch them and continue your journey of transformation. Thank you for being with me up to this point. Take care, stay strong, and remember, true strength comes from the balance of mind, body, and spirit. A big hug, wishing you great health, and see you in the next video.